To prevent thermostat malfunctions during extreme weather, start by ensuring its placement is optimal. Avoid areas with drafts, direct sunlight, or heat sources like fireplaces or radiators. A thermostat in such locations may misread the temperature, causing incorrect heating or cooling cycles during extreme conditions. Next, check for wiring issues. Loose, damaged, or corroded wires can disrupt communication between the thermostat and HVAC system, especially during severe weather. Make sure all connections are secure and inspect the wiring for any visible damage. For digital thermostats, replace or clean battery connections regularly to avoid power interruptions during cold spells. Maintaining cleanliness is equally important. Dust and debris can obstruct the sensors or touch screen, causing inaccurate temperature readings. Regularly clean your thermostat with a soft brush or compressed air to prevent dirt buildup, especially before and after extreme weather events. Also, take the time for regular HVAC maintenance. Have a professional inspect the system annually, checking for issues like dirty filters or frozen components, which can hinder the thermostat's effectiveness during extreme conditions. Finally, if your thermostat uses batteries, ensure they are fresh, as cold temperatures can quickly deplete them. For hardwired systems, make sure the circuit breakers are not tripped and that the power supply is stable.